One Pavilion Condo. Cebu Midtown, and the Cebu Business Park, and the Cebu IT Park, and the Marco Polo, and Banawa, Guadalupe, and the Sundance Residences. Really nice in here. One Pavilion, and below of this residential is Gaisano Mall, and this is developed by Gold Beach Properties.